Hey everybody, welcome to Southern Comfort Cove. I'm going to show you how to use the remote control in the bunk room now to control the light and fan in here. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the light switch, and then you will control the light and the fan with the provided remote that's on the wall. To turn on the fan, you can press any of these numbers depending on what speed you want the fan to go. I'll press 4. That will turn the fan on, giving you a nice breeze. You can also just press the breeze button if you want it to be a slow, gentle breeze. You can also turn the light on and off with this button here in the middle. For example, if you want the fan on at night but not the light. When the light is on, you can also change the color of the light by pressing this button here in the middle. And if you just want it to be a nice night light, you can press this moon and star button right here. Back on. And so if you want to turn the fan off, just press the stop button in the middle. And there you have it. There you can control the light and fan in the bunk room.